listen.
Okay, where's the handbrakes?
What are you talking about?
Where's the handbrakes? So, because we mark the brakes there.
Over there. I showed you last time, Ma.
Wait,
Over there, where your left hand is over there.
wait.
Here, I told you.
Doesn't go. See?
Did you shut off the car?
Yeah.
Move. Mom, were you coming to visit me?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, go. No, the car starts. Doesn't go.
It's going now, Ma. Move. You want to take my car?
No, I'll go with rural party. Okay, kiss your fat.
I put the brakes on, and you have to hit that.
Oh, tingnan mo ito na break.
Yes.
I asked some guy that's